इस रेसिपी को उर्दू में देखने के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद लिंक को क्लिक करें। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू Asma's Kitchen. I am Asma. Today I am going to share really yummy and easy recipe of mango trifle. Give this recipe a try and let me know your feedback. And for your assistance, there is recipe card in the end of the video. So watch this video till the end. Here are the ingredients you will need: milk 1 liter, mango jelly 1 packet. You can get recipe in description by clicking on the link. Sugar 10 tablespoon, mango custard 5 tablespoon, fruit cake 1 pound, walnuts 1 cup, cream 1 cup, mango juice 3/4 cup, 3 mangoes in small cubes. Now take milk in a pot and add sugar and mix it. Then bring it to boil. Now add 1/4 cup of milk in mango custard and mix it really well so that there will be no lumps remaining. Then add this custard mixture into boiling milk while continuously stirring. When it gets required thick, turn off flame and let it cool. Meanwhile, chop the walnuts. Then make small pieces of fruit cake. And arrange them in a serving dish. Then pour mango juice over fruit cake. Then make layer of mango cubes. Now make layer of chilled mango custard. Then make a layer of cream. Now decorate mango trifle with mango jelly cubes. and mango cubes. And last, spread chopped walnuts. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do follow me on Instagram and Facebook page. Subscribe to my channel Asma's Kitchen, hit the like button and share this video, and continue to watch my other videos and playlists. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching.